Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Format Painter in Excel. Let's open up Microsoft Excel by clicking on the Start button, go into All Programs, Microsoft Office, and let's select Excel. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a field here. I'm just going to put some formatting on it. Let's say my text. And let's make the text color red and the background color yellow. Let's make it very large text and just change the font on it here. Now, to use the Format Painter, let's create another text line by saying my text 2. And what the Format Painter will do is it will match any field that you select to the current formatting of a field that you want. So let's select the field that we want, click on the Format Painter, which is this little paintbrush right here, and then let's click on our other text. As you can see, it's immediately matched the text from the other one. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to use the Format Painter in Excel.